I'm here. I don't understand, boy. Bakit si Velma? Bakit hindi nila ako yung pinatay nila? Hindi ko...
Nagpapayat kung sino man ang gumawa nito.
I'm gonna have to release a statement about him. I'm gonna need your help.
I'm gonna set up a press conference before the sun rises. Okay?
Good day mga ka-beauty. Today we are mourning the loss of an icon. It is a sad day for the beauty industry. Miss Velma Imperial, the Queen is dead.
Hindi lang CEO si Miss Velma. She was a mother to us. And we're very heartbroken about this.
Our hearts go to the bereaved family. Condolences po.
Moment of silence muna tayo, Besh.
Sir Eddie, si Miss Velma na po ito. Nakauwi na po siya sa inyo.
Cremated. Agad-agad?
Yan na po yung papeles at mga huling habilin ni Miss Velma. Nandiyan na rin po yung explanation kung bakit cremated po siya agad.
I guess your wife decided a long time ago not to entrust you with the final days of her life.
What? Why?